This brief tutorial will go over how to modify Dropbox assignments with differentiated release conditions with Canvas. I'm starting in one of my assignments in my test course titled Week 1 Reflective Essay. So this was already created, but if I wanted to go back into an assignment that has an online submission and adjust the due date or the extended time for one of my students or a few of my students, I would just scroll down on this page. And under assign, I can click the add key, and then I could place any additional student that needed special requirements, and maybe I wanted to extend their due date a couple days. So instead of the 9th that's originally set, I can put it, let's see, we'll just go to the 13th. And I can keep my availability where it can start on the 9th, but if I keep the until option open, they can always turn in those assignments. But for this specific student, if I filled it out at the top, they would have an extension until the 13th before it was considered late. After you are done with everything, you can just save and publish.